Turn your static presentation into polished and narrated videos ready for your YouTube or client pitches without having to worry about any voiceovers or editing skills. Let me show you how you can do it. Open the presentation that you want to create video for in your Google Slides and click on the Files button. Here you will find the Convert to Video option, which if you click, it will open Google Sheets for you where you can select the slides that you want to add into your video. And also there's an option for AI voiceover script and background music, which you need to check if you want it, and you can uncheck it if you just want a video of your slide. So I'm simply going to import my slides and wait for it to turn into a video. So here it has turned my slides into a video, and let me show you a little preview.
Welcome to this video on fast fashion and sustainability. We will explore the environmental impact, social costs, and future regulations that will shape the industry over the next 5 years. The fast fashion.
So that was the created video. Here you can change the background music as well as the voiceover. To update your voiceover, you can select the voiceover and then click on this AI voiceover button here, which will open this screen for you. And here you can see the script of your voiceover as well as the voice, which you can change by clicking on this change button here and selecting other voices. And you can preview them by clicking on this button here, which will give you a demo like this.
The voice you select makes a difference.
So after selecting a voice that you like, you can simply click on this select button and update voiceover to change the voiceover, and you'll have to click on the replace button to replace the existing voiceover, and it has applied the new voiceover into our video. The next feature that you have is to use avatar for your videos. So you can create one using this avatar button here, and here you'll see the avatar options which you can change and select from all these options.
The voice.
So I'm going to choose this one, and I'll select and click on the preview to start the creation of this video. So it has given me the preview of a video, how the lip sync and how it will look once it's generated.
This growth is.
And now I can click on generate button to start the generation of the video according to my scene. While it's generating, let me show you another feature, which is the image feature here, where you can describe any image and it will be generated using Nano Banana Pro, which you can use in your slides, which is the video here. And also you have text option where you can find multiple template text as well, so you can use them to create more visually appealing video. Also in your background music, you have the option to control the sound, so you can click on the sound button after selecting your background music, and you can change the volume of the music. And there's an option for automatic ducking, which has 3 options, which is off, narrative, or background. So you have to select which of these are to be used. That is, if my selected sound is the background music, so I'll select the background music option, and it will lower the voice whenever there is a voiceover, maintaining the blend between the background music and the voiceover. So you can do that, and our AI avatar is ready. And if I play it, it will have a sound of its own apart from this voiceover. So I'm going to delete this voiceover by simply right clicking on it and selecting this delete option. And now I'm going to also remove this slide from my background and replace it with this video. So I'm simply going to delete this as well and click on this video, right click, and you can click on this expand video to fill the scene button. So your video is now in place, and I'm going to play it for you now. So that was the video, and according to me, it is better option to use avatar instead of just slides, but it differs according to the use case that you are using this feature for. So you can always pair up this kind of video with some text and it will create really good videos. Now you can play this whole video and preview it using this play button, which will open a full screen view of this. And you can also download these videos by clicking on this file button here and going to download option and clicking on MP4 video. And lastly, there are transition and animation option for each videos, which you can access from this toolbar here and select the animations from here to create more engaging video. So that was how you can turn your basic presentations into videos.